Today I have Lysol Wipes, and I'm going to show you how to use Lysol Wipes. These are disinfectant wipes, and from the packaging it says it kills cold and flu viruses. They tested this, and it's proven to kill a lot of viruses right there. It says COVID-19 viruses on there. It says travel size. Of course, you can pack this away and take it on with you. And if you look a little bit closer right here, this shows the active ingredients: alkyl, ammonium chloride, and other ingredients. And there are a lot of warnings on this, so it's important that you read the warnings and the instructions and actually read them for yourself. It says that this is the lemon and lime blossom flavor or scent. And I'm just going to go over some of the instructions really quick. Now, this does not cover all of the instructions, and you want to make it important to yourself to actually read the instructions yourself that come with the product. Now, it says use this product as a convenient way to clean and disinfect your household surfaces. Each pre-moistened disposable wipe kills germs whenever you use it. No bottles, no sponges, no mess. Effective disinfecting has never been easier. It says that it kills 99% of interbacter, I'm not familiar with that word, and staphyl something in 10 seconds. All right, it says this is great for use on sink and counter, refrigerator exteriors, bathtub and faucets, shower areas, light switches, doorknobs, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Now, some of the instructions say unplug small electrical appliances before use, not recommended for bare woods surfaces. Do not use on dishes, glasses, or utensils. Now, it says directions for use. It is in violation of law to use this product in a manner inconsistent with its labeling. To open pouch by peeling back the seal, remove the wipe, and reseal the patch to avoid the moisture loss. So this is what they're talking about right here. I'm going to go ahead and take this and peel this and pull out the wipe. But before I get started with actually wiping, I want to go over with what it says. It says to clean, remove allergens, use a fresh wipe, all right, as opposed to a wipe that you've already used, on surface. Repeat for stubborn stains. To sanitize / disinfect, pre-clean surface. Okay, you have a pre-clean surface if you want to sanitize and disinfect. Use enough wipes to thoroughly wet the surface. Surface must remain wet for the entire contact time. To sanitize, allow to remain wet for 10 seconds. To disinfect, allow to remain wet for 4 minutes. Allow surface to dry. Toss dirty wipe away. For surfaces that come in contact with food, you're not supposed to use this. It says toss away wipe. I read that wrong. Toss away wipe right away. For surfaces that come in contact with food, use only hard, non-porous surfaces and rinse thoroughly with water. It's not intended for personal hygiene and do not flush in toilets. So I'm going to go over some of what they said. I'm going to go ahead and open this flap out, and I'm going to pull out a wipe. And then I'm going to shut the flap back to keep this from drying out. So once I've done that, I'm going to take the wipe, and then I'm going to go ahead and wipe the surface now. It says for 4 minutes if I want to completely disinfect. I believe that's what it said. Allow to remain wet for 4 minutes. To sanitize, allow to remain wet for 10 seconds. To disinfect, 4 minutes. So I'm going to take the wipe, and it looks like it has some sort of solution in here. It looks like perhaps too much soap, but it looks like that the suds or whatever this is, the white stuff, is disappearing as it dries. So it says allow surface to remain visibly wet for 4 minutes to disinfect. However, if I just want to sanitize, I just have to allow it to remain wet for 10 seconds. It smells lemony fresh, as if someone has cleaned this table with some lemons. And so, like, when I'm done, I just go ahead and toss this wipe away, and that's how you use Lysol wipes. This is Lysol Disinfectant Wipes. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.